Hello again, my friends. You see, Santa Claus. Oh, I'm kidding. It's no Santa Claus. I'm my own Santa Claus. Well, I found the Parkside Digital soldering station at a very nice price in one of the shops around my town, and I couldn't resist. This is equivalent of, let's say, around 15 euros, 15, and that's a digital soldering station, and it's amazing price. Something like this is at least double, at least. But I bet it's like maybe 70 euros or something. All right, what we got inside here shortly. I opened it before and it's looking like it's okay. There is no manual because probably the box is open. But as you can see, this is bright new, so nobody touched that. I love this soldering pen support. You see, this is really strong. Usually I'm using TS100, this little guy here. And this one is very good. It's very nice. It's really good. But it's very light in the same time. So many times because the cable is harder. I'm talking about the weight, just jumping up and down on the table. And I had some accidents. Look here, some more. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So I love this kind of support here. What we got here, of course, the soldering station. Cable's kind of stiff, but you see, for this money, I don't want to talk about. Only the cable's worth 10. So it's absolutely okay. No doubt. All right. Here I have some soldering wire, okay, and some extra tips. And this is nice because I can change this for different jobs. We have a chisel that's useful, okay, and 2-point tips. So this is harder somehow. Well, that's fine. Maybe it could be better to have some screws here on the sides and to use some other kind of tips. But that should be okay, I can make it for my needs, I can shape it for my needs, better said. All right, so let's have this guy here, soldering with my right hand. Oh well, of course I don't like this cables laying around my table, but for today it will be okay. I think the station will be the other side of the table, so I have a free cable. Okay, let's do that now. Of course, I forgot about this. This is a vegetal, or I don't know how I call it, a kind of sponge. It's not plastic sponge anyway. So this needs to be here, and we need a little bit of water because it's really dry. This sponge needs to be wet all the time to be useful. You see, like that. Oh, that's amazing. Look there. Funny. Very interesting. Okay. Power supply. Yeah, we got power. First time turn on. Will it blow? Will it work? All right. Here we go. 200 degrees. What is this 6 here meaning? I don't know. Stand by on 200. Yeah. I can feel that. So now it's starting to rise the temperature. Kind of slow. Well, I forgot to tell you, this one have a 48 watts. Kind of small, but I really don't care. because as long as you see it's electronically assisted, then the electronic will push the power when it feels that the temperature is going down. So it takes like 2 minutes, no, less than 1 minute to reach the temperature. And here, down here, we can see the power needs. And let's do an experiment. You see, I'm dropping the temperature down. You see the power is growing. So that's the power applied to the resistor in here for keeping the temperature steady, going down. Okay, let's cool it down. Oh yeah, now it's rising. It's rising the power to keep the temperature. All right, let's go to 300 and let's apply some rosin. Come on. So it takes a while to think about the temperature and starts reacting. If we compare with this guy, which is instantly up, but I don't care. This is a working class soldering station. Okay, temperature in Celsius. There we go. 262 by my sensor here. Well, I bet it's not okay, because I'm pretty sure this isn't the right. Probably it's from this one. Let's see. Okay, same story, like around 270 degrees Celsius. Let's apply some rosin. No doubt it's working okay. Usually I know this kind of 1.5 millimeters. It's melting around 280 degrees. Oh yeah, look there. Perfect. So it's running perfect at 300 degrees. No problemos. Let's go to 400. It's burning the rosin. 351. Come on up, come on up. 292, 293. Well, it's hard to get the real. Now, you know something? I'm gonna not apply, but keep this in touch with some soldering. So now it's really intimate. 70. Okay, so it's like the same tolerance like before, 25 degrees tolerance. So you see, I'm not sure if this sensor is calibrated for this machine. So that's a problem. But anyway, at least at 300 degrees, it was melting very nice, the soldering wire. No doubt about that. We'll see about temperatures later. For now, I'm happy with the results. Let's try to have some soldering at 353. Okay, let me clean this out a little. Well, like I said, this cable is kind of 5 times 0.5 square millimeters. Oh yeah, because it needs the temperature sensor too, probably. So it's ground, power, and temperature. Let me try to get this capacitor out of here. Wow! Wow! In a second. Not a second, the split of a second. Yeah, no, because it's, you see, I'm used with that guy with TS100, which is very small. Doesn't have a thermic shunt somehow. So this one, it's like airplane. It's like a rocket. Okay? Out of here. No problem. Oh, not at all. Really mean that. You can feel it. You can feel the power. Whoa. Good, good. Let's take this guy out. Perfect. You know something? I'm really happy with this guy. for now. And like I said before, this support is really strong. It's absolutely okay. 15 euros. It's really worth the money, no? Okay, that's it for today. I'll be back with some real work with my new digital soldering station. I'm not used to it, this kind of, no, it's really big. I've been using this guy for so long, but now it's time to have a bigger run for bigger solderings and bigger projects. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope it's useful. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.